Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching colors in Sotho. Tala, tala. Tala means green. Putswa, putswa. Putswa means blue. Tshehla, tshehla. Tshehla means yellow. Lamunu, lamunu. Lamunu means orange. Perese, perese. Perese means purple. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.